an ally for real possibilities. AARP. Find tools and direction at aarp.org/possibility.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 6 miles southeast of Reno. Doppler radar showed the tornado moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Yukon, Richland, Wiley Post Airport, Bethany, and the village. Take immediate tornado precautions now. In addition to a tornado, dangerous and extremely large destructive hail up to softball sizes expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Reno, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, and Richland. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. Do not stop under bridges or highway overpasses. They will not protect you from the tornado.
Super Slim Liner, 0.4 millimeter precision and control lets you go subtle or striking. A pigment so